The deaths from COVID-19 in the United States have surpassed 1 million, according to latest data from Johns Hopkins University. It remains the country worst hit by the pandemic, with the world's highest caseload and death toll, accounting for about 16% of both the global cases and deaths. The grim milestone was reached 27 months after the country confirmed its first case of the virus.
It is basically because of negligence, lack of commitment within the government system. Definitely there's no freedom without responsibility. So this is basically the result of that lackadaisical approach to fighting the COVID-19 pandemic.
Es algo ya esperado porque en el momento en el que dejaron las restricciones ya de lado.
It is ironical that America is the richest country in the world, but it was hit the most by the COVID-19 pandemic. While many developing countries were able to weather the storm, America did not see fighting the pandemic as priority. So it was bound that if they did not put the resources in fighting the pandemic, then definitely people had to die.
As nearly 1 million people have lost their lives to COVID-19, the country should make deep reflection on its own human rights deficit.
It's not surprising or shocking that Hispanics and the blacks and such minorities have borne the brunt of the COVID-19 pandemic. It is the way the system is calibrated. In every sector you take, whether it is education, health, whether it is employment, across the social and economic sectors, the blacks, the Hispanics, and other minorities are highly disadvantaged because it is a white supremacy society. I think it should make Americans wake up. It should make them be hit with guilt. Otherwise, America will just be the land of the free by mouth and not through practice of what they preach.